Welcome. Today, NhePLC is talking about the new version 1 launch of their software, and you're gonna be unveiling the good news of this software being released. Now, new NhePLC is a multi-technology company that specializes in computer electronics, software design, and database management. We are going to be discussing one of the Nhe package. The core feature you should consider for the best multi-company accounting, banking, inventory, medical, and hotel software. Here, Nhe have you covered. At your fingertip, you control and monitor your multiple companies and branches worldwide with just one single sign-up with unlimited user support, 24/7 customer service support, free software updates and upgrade. We update the software for you every 3 months with free of charge, and free data backup twice a day. We update your data on the cloud twice every day, so you have no data loss. You can fetch back the data of 10 years or 6 months of your transactions and sales in each of your company. And here is the package called the Nhe Inventory. Nhe Inventory helps business decide what and how much to order. It tracks inventory purchases to sales. Nhe Inventory Management reduces the risk of stockouts and inaccurate records. And one of the good news is that it keeps a company healthy with all the amazing features it has. The Nhe Inventory guarantee order fulfillment and boosts your profit. Manage inventory, save money, knowing stock trends, so you know the stock trend of each branches or each companies you own. Help you use your stock more efficiently. Since you can place order and track order anywhere worldwide, you can keep less stock at each branch location, warehouse, and reduce stock costs, which is inventory cost, and unsold stock before it's obsolete. So it prevents you, it gives notification 3 months ahead of time of any product that's going to be to expire, and it notify you if it's a good amount of stock. It has a lot of beautiful features inside, so it prevents you for unsold stock before it's obsolete. So with Nhe Inventory, you can keep a proper inventory management, which helps your cash flow. So at this point, you cannot be able to have a proper record of a cash flow for each branches you have. Now, this is a Nhe Inventory, so we are going to be showing you a little overview of how this amazing software is. The full package of this for you to coming up, you're going to sign up, but the version 2 of this software is coming up with a new package called the NheCom, where you can be able now to control your companies at ease with your mobile phone. So, but the Nhe Inventory now is what we are going to be showing you right now, and I will show you how you can also download it on your personal computer. So let me sign up with a free account. Boom, and here is it. So this is my company name. So when I'm signing up into the software, I will put in my company name and it will show my company name. So this Nhe Inventory is customized to your company suit. You change the company logo, you can change the software logo, change the software name. It becomes a custom to your own company. Okay, awesome. So let's go to the dashboard. Now when you go to the dashboard, now you're going to have the total balance. Now this total balance tells you how much each company has been given. Now this what I'm actually viewing now is just a branch. I'm just viewing just a single branch out of the whole branch I have. So this particular branch now has only made 3,000 naira for just the sales of today, this morning. Okay, and this will tell me the number of amounts they made on online, offline, and the quantity they sold on offline, and the amount of quantity they sold on online. The same thing daily, it gives you a report, and it gives you a forecast that in the month of April there's a sales, and this sales is higher than every other month. So there should be a season where your company should be making more income, and if this forecast is giving you a low analysis on each month based on that particular branch, you should know there's a problem in that branch if you're not getting back in return of profit. Now you have expiring product, so 3 months to 2 months ahead of time, it gives you notification concerning a product which is about to expire. so you won't get out of you won't get loss of in your business. So if you see this notification here, you see I have 2 notifications, and when you have it clicked, you can see the notification being shown to you. Okay, awesome. Now let's talk about the purchases. Now when you go to new purchase, you have it will tell you the quantity of product to purchase. Now when you disburse money to your procurement, it's not about you disburse money, but you should know the quantity of goods they purchase from your comfort. One, and you should know back the profit the product should give you in return. Now if this is the quantity they purchase, the quantity, and this is the stock alert you're going to have when it's going out of stock, and this it has a barcode reading support. So it has a barcode support. You can also it gives you features of knowing each product, your old stock and your new stock, so you cannot conflict the old stock with the new stock. You know how much you have made from the old stock and how much you have made from the new stock. So this is an amazing feature this product has given to you. Now you can generate barcode for a product which does not have barcode. So when you type in a barcode number here, it automatically gives you a barcode which you can print and place on that product. It become your company product. Awesome. New inventory has come with an amazing features, and this is just the second version one of it, and by next month the new inventory will be launched. The new will be launching another version, which is version 1.1, 0.1.1, and that is going to be an amazing boom version. Okay, so now these are POS, so you can know the quantity you have been disbursed, and this is where you can actually know how many products have left your store. So you cannot be able to monitor stores of each branch to know how many quantity they purchase and how many products have left the store, so your store is well recorded. So there's a signature the software assigned. So the receiver will have a signature, and they give the person or the storekeeper will also have a signature, which the software will keep in record to give you an analysis of who let that software out of the store and who received it and refill it on the shelf. If it's a supermarket, if it's a warehouse, it will tell you who take it from the store and who actually sold it. So this is an amazing security it has. And this is a product that left the store, and out of the quantities, this product has not been received by anybody, but this has been received. You can see the sender name. This is the sender, the person that removed it from the store, and this is the ID code number of the person that received it. Awesome. So now you can actually now be able to know your sales list. Now in every single month or every single day, I can check for 2023. I can search for a particular month, 04. I can search for 03. I have no sales last month. Now I can say, okay, this month I have sales, which is April. I can decide to add 12 to know if there's a sales on 12th of April. So this way to know the actual sales. Now Legend 2 quantity was sold, and each one is 1,500 bucks. And this way you can see the histories of all the sales to happen at your comfort. The AI will balance it for you. When you go to dashboard, you see the proper analysis of how they say. Now if you put a mouse here, it tells you that 3,000 revenue was generated on April. So throughout the month of April, you can actually know how much you have made only on April month. Now when you go to March, when you go to May, it also show you now May is not reading anything, so it's 0. So when you go to May, now it will tell you if May will be higher than April, so you can know the actual sales, which month has the highest. And that's amazing too. And let's go back to sales statement. Now let's go back to sales statement. Now sales statement is where you can actually print a complete sales statement of your business, how it has been going through at the month, or you can actually search for a particular employee or cashier to know what this cashier have been selling for throughout the whole month. If the cashier is actually selling good or not, at least I can search for employee name by say EMP with code of 12, and I can say I want this person's sales on January 12th. So when I create it on send, I'll see, okay, you have no sales yet. So because this employee wasn't on seat on 12th of January. Okay, so if you check 4th of April, and let's use the owner, because the owner have been a default, the owner one, and you see that now I have sales analysis here. This is a Legend. This is account statement now. Now you can see that Legend was sold 2 quantity, 1.5 per each. The payment was made on online and it was using on POS. And the employee that sold it was owner 1, and the name is Samuel, the first name, and the last name is Prince, and this is a receipt invoice for that product. So every transaction that happen on POS, automatically it gives you the invoice. Now this is the date it was sold. So you cannot click on this print to print the invoice, to print out this account statement if you want to have a hard copy of it. So when you hit back on this, your name, this company name, when you hit click on it, it will take you back to this environment. So there's more amazing features this software handles, but I'm just give you a little sketch of what it is. I didn't take you more in depth, so there's more. So we are giving free 30 days. So check it out, and let me show you how you can easily download this software. When you open your browser and you type NheBliss.i.ng and you open it, and this will be the company website. So our goal is to leave the planet better than we found it. This is what the company have. So we are not merely creating product, we are creating something magical for the person who use it. So when you hit on App Store to take you to amazing product has Accounting, which is professional financial software. We have Hotel software, we have Inventory, which we are just displaying to you right now, and we have Medical for hospitals, and we have Com, which I told you about, where you can now control the multiple branches and secure them and give authorization for each employee's environment. And we have NheBliss, which unify all this software in one. So when you download the NheBliss, you have all this software in one. Okay, so instead of you downloading one after the other, so we are here. So we say, so to now is no longer 14 days, is now 30 days. So just hit on this download button for 30 days, use it for free of charge, and you give us an amazing report. So this is how you have covered. So 24-hour service support, a customer service unlimited, and free packages. So thank you